First, open your mobile Play Store. Enter effing network tools. Install to your mobile. Remember that the Wi-Fi you check must be connected to you. Please wait for download. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the bell icon and doing it all, so that you can easily find useful videos like this in the future. I'd be thankful you subscription and support. So let's go on to the video. Open now this app. Here, click next. Click on agree and continue. Click on enable location. I'll think about it. Maybe later. Close. Now here, click on top scan for devices. Click enable location permission. Click while using the app. Click no thanks. So here he will give to you all details about you use this Wi-Fi. How many people use this Wi-Fi? Now here 7 people use this Wi-Fi. So this way you can check your Wi-Fi how many people use this. If you like the video, please comment on the video. And subscribe our channel all vlogs. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.